In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly mute the audio of a video using Clipchamp. Whether you're looking to silence background noise or want to add your own soundtrack later, this video will guide you through the simple steps you need. Before we dive in, make sure you have your video ready and set to go. Clipchamp is a fantastic online tool that makes video editing accessible and straightforward for everyone, and the best part is you can access it right from your browser. First, let's get started by going to Clipchamp's website. You'll need to have an account, so if you haven't signed up yet, take a moment to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the user-friendly interface of Clipchamp, which is designed to make video editing as smooth as possible. Navigate to the section where you can upload your media. This is typically found on the main dashboard. Here, you'll either see an upload button or an option titled Your Media. Once there, go ahead and click it. After you've uploaded your video file, you'll find it in the media library on the interface. Drag your video from this media library onto the editing timeline below. This timeline is where most of your editing magic will happen, and it displays your video file visually, making it easy to identify where you want to make changes. Now, to mute the audio, direct your attention to the video in the timeline where it will appear as a horizontal thumbnail strip. Next, right-click directly on the video. A drop-down menu will pop up showing various editing options designed to enhance your video editing experience. From this menu, look for the option that says Audio and click on it. You will see another menu with several options related to audio settings. Here you want to click on Mute to silence the audio track of the video. This action instantly mutes all sounds in the selected video clip, ensuring that no audio will play back when the video is watched. With the audio now muted, you can proceed with any other edits you might have in mind, whether it's adding music tracks, voiceovers, or any other enhancements. Clipchamp makes it easy to customize your video to meet your unique needs. Finally, to save your changes, locate the export button, typically at the top right corner. Choose your desired settings and export the video. Once the export is complete, your video will be ready for viewing or sharing, completely muted as you needed it. And there you have it. Muting audio in Clipchamp is as easy as a few clicks, making this tool a powerful ally in your video editing projects. Whether you're working on small clips or more intricate projects, these simple steps help you maintain control over your audio tracks with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.